Hello dears, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Fardaus Sahel. I'm experienced more than 11 years with different software and tools. In this video with Google Doc, we're going to learn how to use the file menu. After you're going to create your document, you need to click on file menu. And with the file menu, first we have new. You can create a new document or you can create a new document from a template. You can click here and select your template to create your new document. Next we have open, which I can use the shortcut Control plus O and make a copy. If I click, you can make a copy of your document. And here we have share under file menu, which we can share this with others, or you can publish to web. If I click on publish web, so you can stop publishing just like this, and you can just click on publish to create the link or embedded link. Now from here I can Control C to make a copy of embed or link. You can share this to Gmail, Facebook or Twitter. And if I want to stop publishing, then I'm going to click right here. And this option automatically republish when changes are made. You can check or uncheck this option under publish to web. Here we have this email, which we can email this to anyone. We can email this file, email draft. And next we have downloads, which we can download this in these formats: .docx, .odt, .rtf, .pdf, .txt, .html, zipped, and .epub, .md. And if I want to rename my document, simple, I can just click here, or up here I can just click to rename my Google Doc document. I can just click to move this document. If you click, it's going to open this window, which you can move this to, which is current location my drive, and suggested you can move it to under this folder, which is DSAD or office data. You can just click here to move it. And here we have this option under file menu, which is add shortcut to drive. If you want to create a new shortcut of this document, then you can click here to create a shortcut to drive. You can move this to trash if I click here. So here you can see file move to trash and will be deleted forever after 30 days. You can just click here, go to docs home screen, or you can take out of trash. Next, here we have the version history. You can name current version, or if you want to see the version history, then you can click here, which you can see the shortcut Control plus Alt plus Shift plus H. Make available offline. You can make this document offline by clicking here and turn it on. And here we have the details. You can click to see the details. You can see the security limitations if I click. So there is no limitations in this document, but it's going to show you this panel, no limitations applied. Also under file menu, we can change the language. So there is multiple languages available, which I can just change from file menu. And here we have the page setup. If I click, so I can apply this to whole document or selected content. And you can change the page orientation from portrait to landscape. And also with the paper size here, I can just click to see all the sizes available, which I can just select here. And also I can change the page color. If I click, so from here I can change to any color. You can change the margins, which is in inches, the top, bottom, left and right. And the page list, if I click here, so page list is just look like this. The page list format allows you to add a wide range, wide images and tables and consume content without the interruption of page breaks. Now I can change for that the background color. For pages, you can set as default as well. The last option here under file menu is print. If I want to print my document, I can just click here, or I can use the shortcut Ctrl plus P. And if I click, so it's going to open the destination. You can set the pages, layout, color, and more settings. If I click, so there's more options: paper size, pages per sheet, margins, scale, and options, which I can change for print settings. So this is how we can use all the options under file menu with Google Doc. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.